Alright, y'all. I look so goofy. I don't know if y'all can see me up in the mirror, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro, this be blocking my vision, no cap. I can't even see, bro. I got a big ass thing on my head, but hey, I ain't even gonna talk too much. Bro, people just be staring, bro. Holy. Damn, we gotta get out of this traffic, no cap. Shit. First time recording with a little POV. It's weird, bro, because I got my phone strapped to my fucking forehead and people just looking at me. I gotta get out of this little fucking area, bro. I can't do anything right here. Yeah, alright. Got the fuck out of there. Let me put this up so y'all can hear. I was waiting. I was waiting to cut up a little bit because there's hella cops on this road always. So you gotta be careful, and I can't fucking see shit right now. Y'all gotta see my fucking forehead, bro. It's covering half my vision, so it's like I can't even see. And I got my light on with my dark ass tints, so it literally makes a glare on my fucking windows. But hey, I'm gonna shut up now though.